Step-by-step beginner workflow. New to YouTube and scared of editing? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your first YouTube video in under 30 minutes, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Import and organize clips. First, open your video editor CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or any editor you like. Create a new project. Import your video clips. Drag the main clip to the timeline. Don't overthink it. Just bring in your main footage and keep it simple. Step 2. Cut mistakes and silence. Now trim out mistakes, long pauses, and awkward silence. Split tool. Cut dead space. Keep energy high. This step alone can make your video feel professional. Step 3. Improve audio fast. Good audio matters more than video quality. Increase volume slightly. Add noise reduction if available. Balance background music. Keep music low. Your voice should always be clear. Step 4. Add simple enhancements. Now add basic enhancements. Nothing fancy. Add a title text. Simple transitions. Optional. Light color correction. Beginners don't need heavy effects. Clean beats, flashy. Step 5. Add thumbnail frame. Pause on a good frame and export it as your thumbnail. Clear face. Big text. High contrast. Step 6. Export settings. Finally, export your video. Recommended settings. Resolution, 1080p. Frame rate, 30 FPS. Format, MP4. And that's it. Your first YouTube video is ready. Editing doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be done. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and comments. Thanks for watching.